Reliance Industries. As we speak, that stock is higher by just about 0.5% at 782. Now remember, it's loudly ringing its presence in the telecom sector. The petrochemicals giant is gearing up now for a big bang foray into 4G phone services, and we understand is in talks with South Korea's Samsung to tie up for handsets. Let's get in Vijay Iyer, who now joins in with all of the exclusive details. Vijay, what are your sources telling you for Reliance Industries and its foray into the sector?
What we're gauging from our sources is that Reliance Industries, as we know, is going to bet big on the 4G rollout plan, which is expected to happen later in this financial year. But having said that, with Samsung being on board for the supply of handsets, now what we gauge is that Reliance Industries is all set to also tie up with local Korean Exim Bank for fundraising plans. Reliance Industries plans to raise close to $2 billion for funding its expansion and capital expenditure plan for the 4G rollout in back in the Indian markets. This particular talks have been going on for a while, and we need to understand this was a larger discussion that was happening when Samsung was taken on board and has been finalized as a vendor for supplying of handsets. This particular loan that Reliance plans to take would be somewhere in the range of, say, LIBOR plus 100 basis points, with a kind of leverage and ratings that Reliance Industries enjoy. Although Reliance Industries, when asked, sent the query, has confirmed that they are indeed in talks with Korean multilateral banks for raising funds. They are not shared any further details, but sources are indicating that this is a deal which would be finalized with the Korean multilateral bank in the coming months, and Reliance plans to raise close to $2 billion. So clearly FY14 is going to be the year when Reliance once again would foray into the telecom sector in a big way, and they are putting all the required infrastructure in place, and this fundraising is part of that infrastructure that has to be laid out in the country in the coming months ahead, and maybe in the third quarter is when there are indications that the 4G rollout plan will be made public.